Hi besties, welcome to my channel. You are welcome. Oh, so now what we have here is ginger. Okay, we want to get our morning routine ready. So this is what you should do early morning. Okay, and we have garlic as well, ginger and garlic. What do we do with this? First of all, do well to subscribe to my channel, okay, to stay tuned. We have our ginger and we have our garlic. We want to prepare our morning wellness, our immune booster. With this you can boost your immune, seriously. So you chop your garlic and your ginger together. Make sure you chop them so that you'll be able to extract enough of the ingredients. Okay, you get enough of it. Chop it as you can see, or you slice it the way you are seeing it. After slicing it, okay, you can see this is the garlic. I'm trying to slice it very well into tiny pieces, and after that you get your cup ready, like a kind of a teacup or something bigger, and then you go in with the garlic and the ginger. Okay, that's the ginger. You go in with the ginger, and then you go in with the garlic as well. After, mind you, one ginger and one garlic is enough, but if you want it to be more effective, you can use it to depend on the size of the ginger. You go in with your hot water and steep this for 10 minutes. 10 good minutes is enough. Okay, and the recipe is almost ready. Oh guys, please do well to subscribe to this video and give me a thumbs up. All right, the recipe is almost ready, and after this you ensure you steep this for like 10 good minutes. 10 good minutes is enough. All right, after that you bring in what we call our raw honey is here. Okay, bring in your raw honey. Make sure it is original honey, raw honey, to get a perfect of this. Your raw honey, and you can sieve the garlic and ginger from the water. You add 1 tablespoon of honey. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir it very, very well, and take this in the morning before breakfast. Take this in the morning before breakfast. Once you wake up, if you want to brush your teeth, you can brush your teeth and then take this. There, I promise you, your system will be very, very active for the day. Your immune system will be very strong. Thank you guys for staying to this moment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.